Welcome. Today I will show you how you can enable or disable record in the background while playing feature of Xbox Game Bar. So at the first we have to go for the settings, find gaming, tap on captures, and this feature you can find right here. So right now this option will capture our previous plays by recording game in the background. So we can turn it on or turn it off. You can decide what you want to get. I'm going to turn it on because for me it's a useful feature. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.